All right, here we got the ThinkWork bolt and screw extractor kit. It's off of Amazon. I'm gonna be using this today, so I'm making a video extracting a bolt that is broken in my engine block. And I have this Work Pro, gosh, why can't I think of this, what it's called? Like a set, you know what it is, guys. This is what you use to hammer into the head to make a divot so that you can use the bit to screw it out. I cannot think of like a nail set, basically, is what it is. Here's the, that's what I need to get out. Show you over here. That's what it's supposed to look like. Wish me luck. I've been struggling, guys. Started with this extractor, actually the smallest one, moved up to this one, moved up to this one. I went through pretty much every bit up until a 1/4 inch, which is probably this one, I believe. And I can't go any bigger. I'm so close on the threads. I don't want to damage it. Let me show you guys real quick. I don't know how well you can see that. I can try to zoom in for you a little. Okay, so that's the one. Trying to get it. You can kind of see it, right? That's the one that I needed to extract. This is the one that doesn't have a broken bolt in it. God, it's so hard to get this. I mean, they're really close. So, I don't know what to do. I'm thinking I'm gonna have to probably re-tap it. I don't know. Sucks. I really wanted the extractor to work. I bought that kit, and my theory is that it won't work because these are aluminum screws and they are so light. I mean, like, they're light as a feather. So very weak alloy. Trying to extract it, I think it's just chewing right through the aluminum. Can't even grab onto anything before it just strips it out. So it sucks, but I'm sure the kit is good. I just can't really properly use it in this situation, unfortunately, but that's what it comes with. Bunch of the bits. These are like drill bit guides, which were actually pretty nice. I used this to get my center hole on the screw. This fit right in the slot, and then the bit goes through it, so it keeps it on center. Super cool. Didn't get to use a lot of the other stuff. Besides, I did get to use this, and one of these to start the drill. But I'll keep using it. I'll let you know what I think. But with this application, it was still a good product. I just can't give you like a really in-depth review on it. I would try it on something else for sure. What's going on, guys? Just chilling on the front porch. Did some work today. About to go tackle some more stuff on the car. I just wanted to say that I ended the last video on the extractor kit. That's pretty much where it ended. I'm not too sure like how well it actually works. The application I used it for was not the best. Like I said, the screws are super light alloy, probably just chews right through them. So I'll keep using it. I'll update you guys like as I get, more situations where that thing comes in handy. But I ended up just going with a re-tap like for the threads on the hole, because I don't want to mess anything up. It's an expensive engine. I'm taking my time, thinking strategically, planning it out, so I went with the retap kit because I was like, that's the safest thing to do. I actually have it sitting like right next to me right now, and I'll probably do a separate video with that because I don't want the video to get too long. But it'll be like a separate review of the tap kit. It's also an Amazon product. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. I just want to see how it is, and hopefully that works for me so I can get that stupid bolt out of there and move on to the next thing. So I do have the manifold back. I'll make a separate video on the manifold too. It looks beautiful. It's going to be super sick when I get it back in. I'm really excited to show you guys what it looks like and to get it installed so I can drive the car again. I haven't had the car for a couple weeks at this point. But yeah, super excited. Big shout out to R&R Services with the rebuild again. If anybody wants that connection, let me know. I can connect you. Don't really want to put his info out on blast because I don't have his permission to do that, but you'll see when it's really clean. It's super nice. But all right, guys, I'll see you in the next video, and thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, ask questions, anything in the comments about the unit, the car, whatever. Thank you for watching again. See ya.